I'm at my favorite place, the bathroom. Well, hey, here's another sink that's clogged up. And I don't know if you've been watching my videos, but a long time ago, I had a sink clog here and I was able to fix it. And I'm able to fix 99% of the sink clogs without going underneath a cabinet and messing around with the adjustable P-trap and all that kind of stuff. I don't think I'm even going to come down here. I think I can get it unclogged right here. And if that's what you want to watch, stick around. Now, how is it that 99 out of 100 times I'm able to unclog a sink right from here? Well, that's because I got my secret weapon, the Zip It. And see, I've got two of them in here. This one I've used a long time, and I've cut the tip off, and it still has a few little sharp prongs on it, but not as sharp as a brand new one. See, you can tell how pieces have dropped off, but believe it or not, sometimes I can get sink clogs undone with this. But if not, I'll use my brand new one. Now this one's not brand new. I cut the tip of the plastic holder off, and then I just use this when I get done to keep it in there. And see, I call it the Zip It because that's what it is. You see there? Can you read that? Zip It. And unclog your sink, shower, and bathtub drains in seconds. And my video camera has a few more minutes on it before I have to change the battery, and I think I can get it unclogged right here. Now I'm gonna put the water on here for a little bit, and you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. Now this one's not clogged 100%, but it's draining really super slow. Okay. Now see, it's draining to a certain extent, but it's taken a while. You see it? Here, let's get you down here. I can hear it draining ever so slowly. And you can kind of see it going down, down, down. I don't want to wait for it to get any clogged worse than this. That's why I'm using the Zip It now. Now you can use the Zip It whenever you want. Okay? And as you can see, I don't have any gloves on because I'm going to wash up around the sink afterwards. I'm going to clean everything with Simple Green and a sponge and stuff, and I'll clean my hands. Don't worry about that. Now see, sometimes if you have enough gap down here at the pop-up valve, when the pop-up valve is all the way open, if it's open, if you got that much slop in it, you should be able to fit this right down in there. Now I'm going to turn this on a little bit, and I'm just going to push this down in there. And generally what happens is, the reason why I should be able to get it with this is because most of the time than not, your hair is going to get clogged and start running and going around the pop-up valve, and then it starts building up from there. Now I don't have long hair, but when I shave and stuff, I get all that accumulation on there, and once it starts clumping up, it's just going to get more and more and more, and that's probably the only thing that's in there. I'm probably not going to be able to pull out much hair at all. As long as I just keep poking it in like that and freeing it up, it should go down. Okay, we'll take a quick look here and see. Okay, shouldn't take me very long to get this done. Let's just wait for a few seconds. And see, it's got this hole at the end, so that when you poke it down in there, if you're having a hard time pulling it up, just put your finger here and jerk on it, and it should come up. I'm going to fill this a little bit more, and we'll see. I could start doing it now, but I want you to see it, okay, in action. And I'm just gonna kind of do this business like this. Okay, and then I can put it in at another angle. We're gonna see it, look at this. It's already draining quicker. Like I said, I'm probably not gonna get any hairballs out of there, but if you got kids or if you got long hair, chances are when you pull this up, you're gonna pull all kinds of junk out of there. Okay, I think that was all that I have to do to this. That's it. See, now I'm getting a little bit of stuff under here, but not very much. Not very much at all. That's because it's already draining fine. You see there? That's all I should have to do. It almost seems like I didn't have to do anything, huh? But you'll see. You'll see here. Let's just fill this up with water. Are you ready for the test? You got enough water in there? I can hear it going. Look at that. I see the little hurricane on there and everything, and it's going a lot better than it was. See, I can't even get it to back up here. See, full blast on there. Let's turn the hot water on too, and the cold water. Full blast. Look at that. Fixed. That's all there is to it. The Zip It. You can get these at the Home Depot or Lowe's. They cost you, might run you $3.50 nowadays. Years ago, they had these for like 99 cents. And then it went up to $1.99, $2.99. And you can probably buy them now for less than $3.99. Okay? Just like that. Now, why would you ever even think about wanting to call a plumber? If you call a plumber to fix this, they're probably gonna use something like this to unplug your sink, and they may not even go down underneath to clear out your adjustable P-trap underneath the sink. And chances are there's as you can see, if that P-trap was full of anything, this would have backed up. Now sometimes if you have it clogged further down than this, let's say it's in your P-trap, you got a big hairball down inside your P-trap, you can grab it with this because you can see how far this goes down. It's going to go all the way down to your P-trap, and then it's going to go up like that in your P-trap, and you should be able to push it back and forth and clean it out and pull up all your hairballs and all that kind of stuff without taking the P-trap apart. Now, if you do feel you need to take your P-trap out, yes, I've got those videos on my channel too, of taking out, disconnecting a P-trap, cleaning it, reinstalling the P-trap, actually taking the pop-up valve out. There's a nut back there, and I show you that on other videos, but I'm not going to really go into that for this particular video. This was all about how to use a Zip It and how that's going to save you money. You know, this less than $3 Zip It, oh, I've probably saved people hundreds of dollars, and I've saved myself hundreds of dollars from having to call a plumber. If you were to call a plumber just to unplug one sink, guess what? It's probably going to cost you more than $100. You know, by the time you pay them for the trip charge, the service fee, and the amount of time it takes them to unplug your drain. Now, obviously, if you can't get it this way, and if you undo your adjustable P-trap and you clean all that stuff out and it's still plugged up, then chances are that means it's plugged up inside your wall, where the P-trap goes, where the pipe goes into the wall, and that way, yes, then you're going to have to call a plumber. But try this first. You know, if you can't get it with this, and if you undo your P-trap, then is the time to call the plumber. Don't call the plumber out before that. If you do that, you're just wasting your money. And guess what? Next time you have a sink clog, and I'm sure you have more than one bathroom sink, and I'm sure you've had more than one bathroom sink clog in your lifetime. You call a plumber every single time, you're never going to learn how to do it yourself. And once you get this for $3 or less than $5, let's say, you'll never have known, okay? Get yourself one of those next time you're at the hardware store. Even if you don't have a sink clog right now, you can use it on down the road. And what else does it unclog? Unclog your sink, shower, and bathtub drains. You know, I've unclogged a shower drain before using this. I've also unclogged a bathtub drain before. I did it over at my mother's house one time, and I also did it over at someone else's house. Pulled up all kinds of hair out through there. It's a little bit trickier to do it, but hey, it works. Okay, try it next time. Well, that's all I have for this time. But I'll be back, yes, with more videos. Keep watching my channel. Hey, if you like my videos, I'm just an average Joe showing you, beginner, DIYer, how to save money around the house. Subscribe to my channel, and if you can't find exactly what you're looking for on a video, just go to my main YouTube channel page and look and see where you see playlists. Click on playlists. Okay, click on there and it will take you to another screen that shows you all kinds of DIY topics. I've got over 50 on my channel. Then you click on one of those topics and all the videos that I've ever posted for electrical will be there. All the videos I've ever posted for painting will be there. All the videos for ceiling fans, for carpet, for sheetrock repairs, whatever it is I've put on my video, I've put all throughout those playlists. So check that out when you get a chance. See you next time. Are you still here? Did I wash my hands? Did I clean up? I'll let you be the judge of that.